If every time you try to train your abs at home, your lower back hurts more than your stomach, you're doing it wrong. You don't need gym equipment, and you definitely don't need to destroy your spine to get a carved six-pack. Today, we're breaking down the ultimate home ab routine that actually works, with zero lower back pain. First, let's understand what your abs actually consist of. Your core isn't just one single block. It's split into three main areas. Your upper abs, the top section responsible for flexing your upper spine forward. Your lower abs, the lower belt that stabilizes your pelvis and pulls your legs upward. Your obliques, the diagonal side muscles that control rotation and give you that sharp V taper look. To get a complete aesthetic six-pack, you have to hit all three. Here's your three-step home routine designed to protect your spine while burning your core. Number 1, classic crunches for the upper abs. But here's the critical rule. Do not lift your entire back off the floor. Traditional sit-ups that yank your lower spine off the ground are what cause severe back pain. Instead, press your lower back firmly into the floor, place your hands gently behind your head without pulling your neck, and simply curl your upper spine. Squeeze your upper abs at the top for a full second, then lower down under total control. If this feels too easy, simply hold a weight or a loaded backpack overhead for extra resistance. Do 3 sets, pushing each set until you feel your muscles start to burn. Number 2, leg raises for the lower abs. Lie flat on your back and tuck your hands slightly under your glutes for extra support. The key to avoiding back pain here is keeping your lower back glued to the floor the entire time. If your back starts arching off the floor as you lower your legs, bend your knees slightly to reduce the lever length. Lift your hips just a fraction of an inch at the top to fully engage that lower core. Do 3 sets, going until you feel that deep, familiar burn in your lower abs. Number 3, side crunches for the obliques. Lie on your back, drop your knees to one side, and crunch upward to target the side wall of your abdominal belt. Focus on squeezing your waist on every single rep, then switch to the other side. Do 3 sets per side. Again, pushing each set until you reach muscle fatigue. Perform this routine 3 to 5 times a week. Your abs are a muscle, so give them enough frequency and intensity to grow, but listen to your body and recover properly. Now, for the ultimate truth, you can do this routine every single day, but if your body fat is too high, your abs will stay completely invisible. Abs are built with smart exercises, but revealed in the kitchen. To make them show up, you must be in a calorie deficit, eating slightly fewer calories than your body burns each day. If you don't know where to start, I've left a calorie calculator link in the description below so you can easily calculate your exact daily intake. Strip away the fat layer, and the muscle you built will finally show. Here's a quick bonus secret for fast results. Make sure you drink at least 3 liters of water every day. When you're dehydrated, your body holds onto excess water weight, making you look bloated. Drinking enough water flushes that out and can easily help you drop 1 to 2 kilograms of water bloat in just a single week, making your core look noticeably leaner almost overnight. No excuses, no back pain, no equipment needed. Do this consistently, smash that subscribe button to join Blackout Workout, and go build a stronger core today. If you want to take your transformation to the next level, make sure to check out these recommended videos on the screen right now.